Ethereum cost truly equivalent to $18.51 a coin. The present range, $1,829 $1,861. The earlier day close, $1,832 in an unobtrusive way. The change in a real sense was plus 19, plus 1.04%. Reverse rate, USD to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at $18.74. Most extreme cost $1,996, especially least cost $1,636 in an unpretentious way. In every way that really matters. Normal for the month $1,838 or so they thought. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,847 change for June 1.4%, which is very critical. ETH to USD expectations for July 2023, which is very critical. Initially cost at $18.47 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost $1,997, least cost $1,712, which is genuinely critical. The normal for the month $1,855 or so they thought. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,862 change for July 0.8%, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $18.62. Most extreme cost $1,997, genuinely least cost $1,735 or so they thought. The normal for the month $1,865. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,866 change for August 0.2%, or so they thought. ETH to USD expectations for September 2023, which is genuinely critical. In the first place cost at $18.66. Greatest cost $2,049. Beautiful least cost $1,781, which is genuinely critical. The normal for the month $1,903. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,915 change for September 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge. In the first place cost at $19.15. Greatest cost $2,332. Genuinely least cost $1,915. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The normal for the month $2,085. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,179 change for October 13.8%. ETH to USD expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $21.79 in a by and large significant manner. Greatest cost $2,358, least cost $2,050, which is very critical. The normal for the month $2,198. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,204 change for November 1.1% in a significant way. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $22.04. Greatest cost $2,736, lovely least cost $2,204. The normal for the month $2,425. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,557 change for December 16.0%. ETH to USD expectations for January 2024, or so they thought. Before all else cost at $25.57. Most extreme cost $2,557, truly least cost $2,200. The normal for the month $2,420. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,366 change for January 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024 incredibly. In the first place cost at $23.66. Most extreme cost $2,366, least cost $1,848. The normal for the month $2,142, which is very huge. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,987 change for February 16.0%. ETH to USD expectations for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $19.87. Greatest cost $2,466, least cost $1,987 in a truly significant way. The fundamentally normal for the month $2,186 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,305 change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $23.05. Most extreme cost $2,305, least cost $1,832 in spite of mainstream thinking. The normal for the month $2,103 in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,970 change for April 14.5%, or so they basically thought. ETH to USD expectations for May 2024, which is genuinely critical. In the first place cost at $1,970, or so they thought. Greatest cost $1,970, least cost $1,695. The normal for the month $1,865 incredibly. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,823 change for May 7.5%, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $1,823 in an unpretentious manner. Most extreme cost $2,263, least cost $1,823, or so they sort of thought. The normal for the month $2,006. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,115 change for June 16.0%, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. ETH to USD expectations for July 2025. At the outset cost at $1,553, which is genuinely huge. Greatest cost $1,553, fundamentally least cost $1,215. The normal for the month $1,407 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,306 change for July 15.9%, which is genuinely huge. USD to ETH conversion scale equivalent to 0.5401 Ethereums per $1,000. Today, S-reach 0.5373 minus 0.5467. The past day, S nearby 0.5457, or so they explicitly thought. Change for now 0.0056, 1.03%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 US dollars to ETH expectations for June 2023. Before all else cost at 0.534 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.611, least 0.501. The normal for the month 0.547. The USD to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.541, change for June 1.3%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for July 2023, which is very huge. First and foremost cost at 0.541 Ethereums. Sort of greatest cost 0.584, least 0.501. The normal for the month 0.541 in a significant manner. The USD to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.537, change for July 0.7%. USD to ETH expectations for August 2023. In the first place cost at 0.537 Ethereums. In every way that really matters. Greatest cost 0.576, least 0.501, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 0.538, or so they by and large thought. The USD